Hello, coin aficionados, and welcome to the PHILINDSING coin channel. Today we have the 10 peso coin from the Philippines from the year 2002. And as you can see, it's a bimetallic coin. It has an aluminum bronze center and a copper nickel outer ring. It says Republic ng Pilipinas here, 2002 at the bottom. Now these coins, they started making these coins in the year 2000. So this was the third year that they made this coin. And on the front, you can see that there's two different men on here. There's Andres Bonifacio, and there is Apolinario Mabini. And that's the interesting part of this coin. This coin was made to replace the Philippine 5 peso note and the Philippine 10 peso note. And that's what you see in the background here. If we move it over just a little tiny bit, you see that we have the former 10 peso note with Apolinario Mabini, and then we have the 5 peso note, and the 5 peso note has Andres Bonifacio. So in 2000, what they did was they actually moved these two men onto this one coin and got rid of the 5 and the 10 peso note. So this coin replaced these two notes, and because they didn't want to leave either one of their heroes off the new 10 peso note, and there wasn't a 5 peso coin, they put both of them on the 10 peso coin. So what's the back of it look like? Well, the back of it's just a standard 1993 Banco Central ng Pilipinas, and this is their symbol. So it's the Central Bank of the Philippines. You see that it has an interesting edge. It has a reeded edge and then a smooth edge. So they call this an interrupted reeded edge sometimes. Reeded, smooth, reeded, smooth. Now, if we go back onto the front of the coin, you'll see that it wears very interestingly. And you can also see that right back here, there's this funny little squiggle. And that there is the Banco Central Pilipinas logo. So it says BSP back here. How many of these coins did they make? Well, in 2002, we don't have the numbers. We know that they made millions of them, but we don't know how many millions. And we also don't know how many are out there now. So we don't have a very good value on it, other than to say this is probably worth anywhere from 50 cents to $1 in the United States, even in this kind of beat up condition. All right, well, that's what we have for you today, the 10 peso coin, which replaced both the 5 peso note and the 10 peso note. And that's why they don't have 5 peso and 10 peso paper money in the Philippines anymore. Thanks for watching the PHILINDSING coin channel.